Panasonic rice cookers are designed keeping you in mind. It has features to make your life more convenient. Panasonic offers rice cookers in various cooking capacities, which can cook from 3 cups to 40 cups of uncooked rice to suit a varied range of needs. The 3 cups rice cooker is perfect for 1 adult. The 3 cups rice cooker is ideal for 2 adults, which also comes with an extremely durable steaming basket, which helps you cook and steam at the same time. This helps you to steam vegetables, eggs, fish, etc. For a family of 2 kids and 2 adults, the 5 cups rice cooker is the best. It also comes with the extremely durable steaming basket. The 10 cups rice cooker is suitable for a family of 4 to 5. It also comes with the extremely durable steaming basket. For cooking in large capacities, Panasonic offers 17 cups, 23 cups, and 40 cups rice cookers. Panasonic rice cookers offer a wide range of applications, like cooking, steaming, reheating, pot roast, etc. Panasonic cookers are the only cookers to get UL Safety certification for both commercial and household cookers. They also have the renowned NSF listing, a standard related to equipment hygiene. Panasonic is widely respected across the globe for its commitment to quality, safety, and convenience. With such values, we're always trying to make a difference. Our mission: a better life, a better world.
Panasonic.